Hey guys, today we're going to be exploring the Rubik's Cube Museum. Okay, let's get into it. At the Rubik's Cube Museum. Hi, what can I help you today with? Please, can I explore the museum? Yeah, sure. Let's guide you through. Here's map. You're number 1. Okay. Ooh. Look how many Rubik's cubes are there. Whoa. Okay, let's start with this one. This one looks like an interesting one. Hey, please don't touch our stuff or they might roll. Okay. That was a mistake. Haha. Okay, we have a 2x2. That looks cool. It's a carbon fiber. A soft 3x3. McQueen. Look at this. Ooh, this is a speed cube. This must be a speed cube. Don't you think, guys? Okay, these cubes, I can notice they're both fake. Because I can show you this. There's only one green, so this is so these two are fake. And yeah, these cubes look sus. This cube looks very sus. Boy, this is definitely fake. This is squishy. It's a squishy. A 5x5? What does it mean 3x3? No, it's a 5x5. Cool. Here are pyramids. This is the hardest one of all. I can't be able to solve this. So, how'd you like our museum? It's great! Oh, these are cool. Yeah, this one's our hardest one. Oh, yeah, I was wondering. Okay, guys. Hope you liked this video, this guide of the Rubik's Cube Museum. Bye!